Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find serial number on MacBook Pro, quick tip step by step clearly. To find the serial number on your MacBook Pro, start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Select About this Mac from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear, showing an overview of your Mac. Look for the line that starts with serial number. This number is unique to your device. If you need to copy the serial number, you can select it with your mouse. Then right-click and choose Copy from the context menu. For an alternative method, shut down your MacBook Pro completely. Once it's off, flip the device over to check the bottom case. You should see the serial number printed in small text along the edge. If you have the original packaging, you can also find the serial number on the barcode label. Another option is to access the System Information app. Press and hold the Option key while clicking the Apple logo again. Select System Information from the menu. In the System Information window, find Hardware Overview in the sidebar. The serial number will be displayed prominently in this section. These methods will help you easily locate the serial number on your MacBook Pro. Remember to keep this information in a safe place, especially for warranty and support purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.